Hi, Michelle Glass here. Welcome back to another one of our Chapter 14, Lecture 14 videos. This episode is all about brain waves. Brain waves are measured by a device called the electroencephalogram, and these EEGs are giving us information about the electrical activity of our brain. The alpha wave is detected when you have a healthy adult who's awake but resting with eyes closed. So this is not showing up when you're asleep, but just when you're chilled back, quiet, eyes closed at rest, okay? Now, this alpha wave will transition or become a beta wave when you're focused on a task, under stress, or psychological tension. Theta waves are detected either in children or frustrated adults. And they can be used to detect presence of a tumor. Delta waves are present when you're deep asleep or in a developing infant. In adults who are awake, you can see delta waves as indicators of tumors, vascular blockage, or inflammation, all sources or problems that can cause brain damage. Okay, that's it for now.